Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP, Euro British Pound. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of Euro GBP. Yes, I am in my favorite 4 hours time frame. If you just look at the chart, then you can clearly see that there is no proper trend in the market. Rather, this is a choppy market, a sideways market. And as we all know, it is not that easy for us to trade in a choppy market. It is always easy for us to trade in a trending market. But Euro GBP is one of those charts that is kind of complicated for a long time. Okay. So things are not very smooth and beautiful for Euro GBP for a long time. Anyways, okay, as we all know, okay, we should always follow the trend of the market, and right now we do not have any proper trend here. Okay. Secondly, okay, area of value. Area of value means the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. In an uptrend market, the area of value or the best buying opportunity is always near the support, whereas the area of value in a downtrend market is always near the resistance. But this market is a choppy market, or if you just observe the chart, then you can clearly see that this is a sideways market, and in a sideways market like this, we get opportunities on both the sides. And right now you can see that market is trading in a particular range right now. In fact, you can also draw these lines in your charting platform or charting software. You can just switch to the 4 hours time frame and draw these lines. Right now you can clearly see that market is following a downward channel here. Though market is following a channel here, but the channel is going towards the downside. So it is not a proper choppy market. Rather, this market has a slight edge. Okay, rather this market has slight edge by the sellers. Okay, if the number of sellers are 60, the number of buyers are only 40 here. Okay, this market looks like a choppy market, but this market has the influence of sellers. Therefore, whenever market is hitting this particular resistance level on the upside, is coming down in a sharp way. Okay. On the other hand, market is also bouncing from this trend line. So you have got a dynamic support also, you have a dynamic resistance also. In your charting platform, you can draw this, and right now you can see that market is just standing at the resistance level. And if you look at the position of stochastic RSI, then you can see that stochastic RSI is also in the overbought zone. So what should be our strategy for Monday then? For Monday, after the market opening, just observe the price, okay, and just try to see how the price reacts after the market opening. Okay, considering the overall chart of the market, considering the overall setup of the market, it should come down. The price should come down. So after the market opening, if you see that, okay, market is following the same pattern here, market is facing price rejection from above, market is unable to go up, and if you see candlestick patterns like this, so shooting star pattern, price rejection from above, or red candle like this, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this trend line, okay, this trend line is still acting as a dynamic resistance, and you can short the market here. You can short the market here. Did you get my point? Let me repeat again. Let the market open on Monday and just observe the price. If you see price is struggling near the resistance, if you get the confirmation that price is unable to go up, if you see price rejection from above like this in the form of a shooting star or candlestick like this or a red candle like this, if you get the confirmation that yes, this trend line, this resistance is still a valid one, then you can short the market at the resistance, because this setup is right now at the perfect position to short the market. We just need to wait for the perfect opportunity, and for that perfect opportunity, wait for the market to open on Monday and just observe the price. Try to read the chart, try to read the market emotion. Then only take the decision. If you see a suppose market open on Monday and if it forms a green candle like this, big green candle like this, then do you think that it will be a wise decision to short the market? No, hell no. It will not be a wise decision to short the market. Okay. It will only be good for us to short the market if price rejects from above, if price reverses from this trend line. Then only you should short the market. On the other hand, if price comes down later, okay, after 1 or 2 days, if price comes down and hit this support line, then just observe the price. If you see price taking support at this line and bouncing just like the previous times, you can go for a buy order. You can easily go for buy order if market bounces or reverses from this particular level here. But right now, market is standing at the resistance zone. Stochastic RSI is also in the overbought zone. Therefore, considering these two factors, market is giving us a good indication that okay, we may get a good opportunity to trade here, but we need to wait for the perfect opportunity. And for that, okay, for that we need to wait for the market confirmation. So let's see how the market opens on Monday, and accordingly we will take the decision. If market reverses, then we can short the market here. And if it starts going up after the market opening, just avoid the trade. Do not trade because there is a possibility that you may get trapped and you will end up in loss. Therefore, if it crosses this trend line and starts going upside on Monday, do not trade. Just avoid Euro GBP for Monday. That's it. Hopefully you have understood my point. And nothing. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday. Bye bye.